This call is now being recorded.
Yes, Kamaljeet sir is here with us. Welcome, Kamaljeet sir. We'll begin our session now.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon,
Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
sir.
Good
everyone.
afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
You can all wave.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Very
sir.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon. So happy to
How
see
are
all
you,
of
sir?
you.
Good afternoon, sir.
A very good afternoon. How are you all?
Fine,
We are
sir.
fine,
We are
sir.
fine, sir.
Fine, sir. How are you?
How are you?
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Good
How
to
are
know
How are
that.
you,
you,
sir?
sir?
Very good. Good to know that you are doing well.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Uh, yes,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
All the best.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So good to see all of you.
Anyone, anywhere can make positive difference.
Good afternoon,
If you think you are making positive difference in your life or life of others, congratulations, you are a leader. This is Pragati Goyal from class 5th SN Bose, session coordinator of today's session. A very peaceful afternoon to our respected Chief Guest, Principal Sir, Director Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teacher and my dear friends. On the behalf of Curiosity Club, I welcome you all to our today's Curiosity Meet. It's an extreme honor to introduce our chief guest, Kamalneet Sir. Kamalneet Sir is a TEDx speaker, mindset coach, life skills educator, sir of students and developing 21st century skills in young minds. Sir has given training to teachers, parents on leadership and life skills. He is an educationist by profession and a speaker by passion. He believes that each individual has a lot of power within them. Sir is on a mission to bring positive change in young minds and impact 1 million lives. Thank you for joining us, sir. Now I request Raghav Bhaiya to deliver this today's curiosity talk.
Thank you very much. Uh, it is so good to see
Yes,
you
sir.
all on a Saturday afternoon. And I'm very happy that I can be a part of this club with all of you. And I can see the smiling faces. Can you all wave? Yeah. Okay, can you all wave? Okay, I can see that. I can see Palak doing it. I can see Navya doing it. Yeah, got that. Good. I can see Gaurav also doing it. Gaurav is doing it in a stylish way. Yeah, I like it, Gaurav. Nice to see all of you. And I'm really looking forward to interacting with all of you. And I think now we have a small presentation by Raghav.
Yes, sir.
Great. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
A very good afternoon.
Just a moment. Yes.
Sure.
Thank you, Pragati, for giving inspiring introduction of Kamalneet sir. Alan Turning sir has rightly said, sometimes it's the people no one imagines anything of who do the things that no one can imagine. A very peaceful afternoon to all one and all present over here. I am Raghav Agrawal from grade 7th. I am Raghav Agrawal from grade 7th APJ Abdul Kalam. I am going to give today's curiosity talk. I will be sharing with you all my own experience which has brought big change in my life. One day, I saw a cow was eating polythene bag from the garbage. I felt so bad after seeing that. Same time, I was also afraid that cow may hurt me. If I try to remove the bag from its mouth, but with the help of one of the string, the polythene bag from the cow mouth. My another experience. One day, accidentally a biker has dropped his bag on the road. With the help of others, I have successfully returned the bag of owner. These are the small incidents but can have big impact. I feel someone is leader if they have kindness, want to bring positive change. Their actions must inspire others to do good, ready to learn new things, want to change him herself. At the last but not least, thank you for this opportunity. An attitude of gratitude will always lead you positive direction. Thank you all. Pragati, over to you.
Now, I would like to find energetic, passionate, curious. Come on, sir. Sir, over to you.
Thank you very much, Raghav. That was a great story, and I'm glad that you could probably identify, you could see that what was not right in the situation, and then you could also help the man get his bag back. And I can totally relate. एक बारी मेरा भी एक बैग गुम गया था, and unfortunately मुझे नहीं मिला. So I know that it can create a lot of tension, but you could really help that person get the bag. So well done. So let's do one thing, right? Put your right hand forward. Put your right hand forward. Yeah, and bring it over your left shoulder. And now pat yourself. Yeah. So well done for, first of all, for participating and being here. And I'm really thankful. I'm really thankful to Rohit sir. I'm really thankful to the management of Jindal World School, all the teachers, and especially all of you, the students, who have taken out time. So how are you all doing today? It's a Saturday afternoon. How are you all doing?
Fine.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Fine,
Siraf fine or good?
Fine. Sir, fine and good also.
Sir, I am excellent.
Fine and good also.
Yes.
I remember I used to go to a school before pandemic, and I would go to this class and I would ask them that, how are you all doing? उन्होंने पता नहीं कहाँ से सीखा था, but then what they would say always, and I really loved it, and I think I'll share it with you. Every time I asked them, how are you doing, and they would say that we are on top of the world, and I would really feel happy to see them all happy and smiling. And so I'll probably give this to you as well, that the next time, whenever probably your teacher or anybody ends up asking you, you can also try saying that I am on top of the world, right? But when you say that, You got to say that with a very happy face, because आप sad होके नहीं बोल सकते हो कि I am on top of the world. You can't say that. That has to be said with a happy and a happy and a cheerful face. So now I see a lot of you, very actively involved and looking in and carrying your things. And do you have something to write, by the way? Are you carrying something to write?
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes,
you
sir.
can you show me? Can you just wave that to me? Oh, wonderful! I can see that. ठीक है. So एक काम करते हैं. So we begin, and thank you very much for both the moderators for giving that fantastic introduction and making the session announce open. So let's
Thank you.
begin. So Acha, is it okay if I can ask you a few things?
Sure, sir. It is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I loud and clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, why not? Yes, sir.
Okay, got it. So now that I understand that I'm audible and I'm also visible to all of you, let me
Yes,
put you to
Yes,
a
sir,
very
you are audible
small
to us.
test, right? Now,
Yes, sir. You are audible.
great. So now tell me one thing. I'm going to ask you something and देखते हैं कि कौन answer करेगा, right? And you can probably put it in the chat box, or you can raise your hand and you can give answers accordingly. Now tell me something. Which is that invention? Which is that invention that lets you see through a wall? That lets you see even through a wall. What is that invention? Okay, Khushi says eyes. Okay, got that. Okay. Anybody else who wants to guess that? Okay. Radhya also says eyes. Pratibha also says eyes. Okay, got that. Somebody says happiness. Okay, Dipti says eyes. Garima says eyes. Pihu says eyes. Aryan says willing. Okay, eyes. अच्छा चलो दोबारा सुनते हैं इसको, ठीक है? Which is that invention that lets you see even through a wall? Okay, Vanshika says eyes. Kritik says eyes. Arya says eyes. Khushi says eyes. Okay. Somebody says projector. Okay, Shaurya. Shaurya is the first one to give the correct answer. So it's pretty simple. It's a window.
Thank you, sir.
It's a window that lets you see through a wall, right? आपको सुनने में लगा होगा थोड़ा सा technical है, but it was easy, right? So it can sound, riddles can sound a little complicated. So a window lets you see even through. Yes, please. Yes, please.
नहीं भेजा रहा है चैट बॉक्स में वो.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. So what we'll do is, I know now everybody knows the answer. अब chat box में next answer लिखेंगे. Are you all ready? We'll probably do the next one.
Yes, sir.
Now listen to this very carefully, okay? I have eyes. I have eyes. I have hands. I have legs. I have a face. I have a nose. I have 2 ears and 1 mouth. But I don't speak. But I don't speak. But I don't speak. Who am I? Any guesses?
सर एक बार आंसर बोलो तो.
नहीं आंसर बोलो या रिडल बोलो? आंसर
बोलो.
Okay, I'll give you the riddle once again. Okay, got that. I'll say that once again. So I have 2 eyes. I have 2 hands. I have 2 legs. I have a head. I have 2 ears. I have a nose. But I don't speak. And I don't produce any sound. I don't produce any sound. Okay, I'll give you another hint. If my eyes are open, they remain open. If my eyes are closed, they remain closed. And I like to change clothes frequently. I like new clothes and I like changing them frequently. Okay, Navya got the answer. Navya is the first one to say it's a statue, it's a mannequin. Exactly. You know, जब हम किसी clothes की shop पे जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे एक mannequin होता है, right? So some of you are saying doll, okay. You know, so there is a mannequin जिसके ऊपर you know, कपड़े होते हैं and वो change होते रहते हैं. You know, the shopkeeper keeps changing them. Okay, got it. Now everybody is writing. Got it. It's also called a mannequin. Yeah, it's also called a mannequin. Okay, so now is that? Yeah. Now you can stop writing in the chat box, and you know I can ask you a lot of them, but I also want you know to narrate a story. Would you want to hear to a story?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, got that. Okay, got that. So now before telling you a story, let me ask you one more riddle. ये थोड़ा simple है, ठीक है? Now, which is that ship? You'll have to listen to this carefully. Which is that ship that does not sail in water? Which is that ship that does not really? Okay.
Sir, camel.
Can you repeat the answer? Sir, can you repeat the question?
Okay.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
So Raja says friendship. Which is that ship? Which is that ship that does not really sail in water? You know, मैं ना आपको थोड़ा सा ऐसे confuse कर रहा हूँ ये दिखा के. So don't go by this. Which is that ship that does not sail in water? Okay. Okay. Somebody.
Sir, animal ship.
Okay. Animal ship. Okay, got that.
Scholarship.
Aryan, that's a very different answer, and that's a good answer. Scholarship. Pratibha says friendship. Okay, Mayank also says friendship. Now a lot of you are saying friendship. Okay, ठीक है. अब सबको पता चल गया आंसर. मुझे मालूम है अब तो सभी को पता चल गया, right? Now, can you guess any other ship? So one is scholarship. One is friendship.
Camel.
Leadership.
Who said leadership? Who said leadership?
Sir, I.
Who said that?
Sir, me.
Payal said it. Okay, Payal, well done. Payal, well done. You're the first one to say leadership. All that. So you know that also brings me down to today's topic. What is the topic for the today? आज हम क्या discuss करने वाले हैं? Tell me.
Sir, about young leaders.
Young leader.
About
Okay.
leadership.
Young leader.
Got it.
About
Young
leadership.
leadership.
Yes, sir. About leadership. About leaders.
Okay, got it.
Young leader.
Got it. ठीक है. Young leader, leadership in action. I see all of you writing those answers in the chat box. You know, so you know when I was of your age, you know when I was young like you. By the way, मैं अभी भी young हूँ, लेकिन when I was younger, you know जब मैं आपके जितना था, and when I would hear the word leadership, you know, I would always be confused that what is this leadership all about? And I remember one fine day, my English teacher, she also used to teach us, you know, she was also the class teacher and she also used to teach us English. And one fine day, I was sitting at the last bench, you know, I was sitting right there at the end, and she asked me, Kamalneet, stand up. So I stood up and she said, Kamalneet, what is the meaning of leadership? And I was looking at her, I was looking at the madam, and I was thinking, I was looking up and I was really thinking, what is leadership? So my madam laughed and she said, Kamalneet, leadership का मतलब क्या दीवार पे लिखा हुआ है? I said, नहीं madam, मैं सोच रहा हूँ, right? And everybody started smiling and everybody started laughing, and I was thinking, and then you know my friends around me, they said, Kamalneet, you don't know the answer. I said, no, I don't know. My madam said, okay, you sit down. And I kept thinking, you know, what is leadership? And then somebody else gave the answer. मुझे ना समझ ही नहीं आया कि what is this whole thing of leadership all about? But when I grew slowly and gradually, I realized that, you know, that was an important question that my teacher asked me, and I wish that I should have learned that at an early age, right? So आज ना हम ये बहुत सुनने में बहुत complicated लगता है, you know, leadership. Today we will simplify it. We'll make it very, very simple. And I can promise each one of you that after we simplify that, each one of you will be able to see a leader within yourself. So is that a good deal? Can you show me a thumbs up? Is that a good deal?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
got it.
sir.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So मैं आपको एक story सुनाता हूँ. Right? I really like this story. Uh, do you like stories?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So listen to this story very carefully, right?
Okay, sir.
So put your hands on your ears. Put your hands on your ears like this, and come forward. Come forward. Yeah. ध्यान से सुनना है आप, ठीक है? चलो, okay. Got it. So I'll just share it with you. 200 years back, 200 years back, there was an army, right? And there was a person who was the section in charge. He was the section in charge, and he was giving orders to his army to dig a trench. आपको ट्रेंच मालूम है क्या होता है ट्रेंच?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
No
sir.
problem.
No, sir.
So आपने
Yes, sir.
I know.
have you seen any movie जहाँ पे एक battlefield होती है? They were digging a trench in a battlefield. So battlefield में ना एक जगह होती है जहाँ पे सारे soldiers ऐसे शूट करके फिर ऐसे नीचे छुप जाते हैं. आपने वो जगह देखी है? बॉर्डर मूवी देखी है आपने? है ना? So वो वहां पे सेफली नीचे वहां ट्रेंच में रहते हैं ताकि कोई उनके ऊपर फायर ना कर पाए या अटैक ना कर पाए, राइट? So they were supposed to dig a trench, and गर्मी में ट्रेंच को डिग करना, is it easy or difficult?
Sir, difficult.
Sir, it is
difficult.
Okay. Okay, got it. ठीक है. So what he did was, the section in charge, he started yelling, he started screaming, and he started shouting at his army men that dig the trench right now. I want the trench to be digged before the end of the day. मुझे ये trench जल्दी से जल्दी चाहिए ready. And the soldiers, the army men, the soldiers, they were very tired. They were working very hard. They were working very, very hard to dig it. And some of them said, section in charge, we are very tired, and we are very hungry, and we are very thirsty. We are very thirsty, we are very tired, we are very hungry. हमें ना खाना खाना है और पानी भी पीना है. And to which the section in charge, he said, nobody is going to get food, nobody is going to get water, and nobody is going to get rest till the time the trench is ready. So ये सुन के ना soldiers जो हैं बहुत disappointed हो गए, and they started working, but they were not feeling good, but they kept working. So इतने में ना a man came on. Can you guess? A man came on what?
horse.
Okay, smart. A man came on a horse, and he stood by. वो वहीं पे आके खड़े हो गए, and उन्होंने वो देखने लगे कि यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. And what he saw, the man on the horse, he saw कि जो section in charge हैं, जो ये soldiers के in charge हैं, वो इनके ऊपर shout कर रहे हैं, and the soldiers are asking for food and water, nobody is giving it. And the man on the horse, he said, hey section, hey in charge, आपके जो soldiers हैं वो भूखे हैं, प्यासे हैं, बहुत थक गए हैं, आप इन्हें खाना दे दो या इनको पानी दो, या तभी शायद काम कर पाएंगे. तो जैसे ही सेक्शन इंचार्ज ने ये बात सुनी, he looked at the man on the horse and he said, hey you mind your own business. आप मेरे काम में दखल अंदाजी मत करो. Do not interfere in my work. And this man on the horse said that if you do not treat your soldiers well, तो आपका trench नहीं dig हो पाएगा. And this man got very angry, he got very furious, and he said, listen, I am telling you one last time, do not interfere in my work. I am their boss, and I know what has to be done. And आपको अगर इतना प्रॉब्लम है और आपको अगर इतनी दया आ रही है इन सब पे, तो why don't you get down from the horse? Why don't you start helping them? Now, listening to this, the man on the horse, he dismounted from the horse, and he actually started helping the soldiers in digging the trench. And he kept on saying that, 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. So, when he started saying that, everybody kind of started to enjoy the whole process of digging. So, can we all do that gesture? 1, 2, 3, go. Hum sare karenge, right? So, when I'm going to say go,
Yes, sir.
everybody is going to say 1, 2, 3, go. Right? Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Very good. So this man started saying that, and then what they did was they made a huddle. सबने ना हाथ पकड़ के they started jumping up and down, and they started deciding कि हम इसको कब तक finish कर देंगे. And they all started saying that, come on, we can do it, we can do it, we can do it together. So he said to everybody that team का जो मतलब होता है, team stands for together everyone achieves more. Together everyone achieves more. So they said, yes, we can do it together. So थोड़ी देर में ना, within about 3-4 hours, they worked happily and they finished the trench finally. Now, जब section in charge ने उनके boss ने ये सब देखा, and he was very shocked कि ये पहले तो अच्छे से काम नहीं कर रहे थे, पहले तो ये खाना मांग रहे थे और ये पहले पानी मांग रहे थे. They were saying we are tired. Now they have a smile on their face, and they have also finished the work. Now this man on the horse, वो section in charge के पास गया, and he said, listen to me, section in charge. If you do not take care of your team, I am going to fire you from your job. If you do not take care of your team, I am going to fire you from your job. Can you imagine वो कौन था इंसान जो who was that man on the horse?
Main general.
Sorry? Yeah, somebody get the
Leader.
Main leader.
He was the general of the army. He was the general of the army, and section in charge उन्हें पहचान नहीं पाए. And and when the section in charge realized, oh my God, he's the general, and then he felt bad about it. Now you know what? In this story, one person was a boss, and one person was a boss, and one person was the real leader. Can you tell me who was the real leader here?
General.
Can you write it? Can you write it? Okay, let's put that in the chat box. The general. Pratibha says general. Okay, got it. RN says the general. Okay, got it. Done. Okay. Right. So देखो आपने अपने आप figure out कर लिया. All of you are so intelligent and so smart. You all figured out कि boss कौन था और leader कौन था, right? So can you tell me why are we calling the general a leader? What qualities general की वो कौन सी ऐसी qualities? Okay, so so we'll begin with Navya first, and then we'll Riya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Navya, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, we found out that he was a joiner because he take care of about his team, and how he also gave them food, water, and also he when need he also work with its team.
You also work with this. Brilliant answer, Navya. Give yourself a round of applause, Navya. Everybody, can we give a round of applause to Navya? देखो तालियों में ना कंजूसी नहीं करनी है, अच्छे से मारनी है, ठीक है? Okay, good. So next is Riya.
Yes,
So
sir.
I think he was called the leader because he had a skill of teamwork.
Okay. Okay, great.
Sir,
So he
may I?
had a skill of
Sir, may
teamwork.
I?
Wonderful. Now we have Aryan. Okay,
Sir,
Aryan,
may
what do
I?
you think? Thank you. Thank you, Ria. Can we give Ria a round of applause, everybody?
Sir, the difference between those two members are like the commander, the one who ordered them was not doing himself. He was just ordering and making them work. Sadly
Yeah, very good point. He
and
he he
quickly.
was shouting and he was yelling and he was ordering, but he was not supporting. Yes,
And the general supported them, worked with them, and
correct.
make them feel important also, like
Fantastic,
a team.
fantastic answer, Aryan.
Sir, may I
General
also?
worked with them,
Can I?
supported them, and also made them feel very important. Can we give Aryan a round of applause,
Sir,
everybody?
can I?
Sir, may I?
Sir, may I?
Sir, may I?
Okay,
Sir,
so
may
let
I?
me ask.
May I,
Okay,
sir?
Sir, may I?
Sir, can I
okay,
ask?
Palak. Okay, Palak, go
Sir,
ahead.
may I?
Sir, the general was the boss because the in charge was only thinking about the India. He is not thinking about the army people, that they haven't have anything. So he don't think about that, like, the army people do not have anything. They have low power, but the general, when he see the general becomes so sad because the army was not having anything. If the army will not have anything, so how they will do the practice? So like that, the general was the boss.
That's a great answer. So the general was a real leader, though he was the boss of everybody. Was in the truest sense, he was the real leader. So that's a brilliant answer, Palak. Can we all give a round of applause to Palak?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I? We can, sir.
Sir, may I? Sir, may I?
Sir, may I? Can I?
Okay. Well, I'm so happy that all of you want to give the answer, and I also see in the chat box that you all are, also writing answers in the chat box. That's a good answer. Okay, got it, got it. So Nikunj, yes, Nikunj,
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead.
Yes,
Go ahead.
sir, because sir, he's a main leader because when sir, the another leader is just saying that do your work, but the general, sir, he has just supported them. He cheered up, and you also know that whenever we cheered by the team, so we feel good and we work more hard, and we will work with the teamwork, and there we have showed togetherness, so we can do our work easily and with the enjoyness.
Fantastic. That's a good answer. Give Nikunj a round of applause, everybody.
Yeah, one more point.
Okay,
Sir, can I?
now let's do one thing.
Sir, can I?
I know that you got the answers. अब एक काम करते हैं, हमारे पास ना और चीजें भी हैं cover करने की. So we'll probably when I in the maybe in the next conversation I'll give you a chance. So let's do one thing based on the
Yes,
story,
sir.
whatever you could learn, whatever qualities that you think a leader has. I want you to write down all those qualities on a piece of paper or in your book, and you can also write them in the chat box if you want. The
Okay, sir.
qualities of a great leader based on what you learned from the story. So maybe take a minute and write the qualities down. Yes, Vanchika, you are right. Caring. Leaders are caring. Leaders, they believe in themselves. They also help others. Fantastic. Leaders are kind. Anukriti, you are right. They consider their team as their family. Fantastic. Pihu, correct. They believe in teamwork. Leaders believe in teamwork. They also believe in unity. They help each other. They should be kind and honest. They are strong. They always think that we can do. रोहित सर, ये तो ऑलरेडी लीडर्स हैं, बच्चे सारे. इनके आंसर्स पढ़ के तो मुझे ऑलरेडी इनमें बहुत बड़े बड़े अच्छे अच्छे लीडर्स दिख रहे हैं. They're
Yes,
very
sir.
smart and they're giving great answers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
You'll be so happy to know all the students out there. I should call you leaders. You know, when I do some sessions, कई बारी ना किसी बच्चे से अगर पूछो ना आंसर, तो वो क्या करता है, वो ना अपना कैमरा ऑफ करके भाग जाता है कि मेरे को आंसर ना देना पड़े. बट यहाँ पे तो बिल्कुल रिवर्स सिचुएशन है. यहाँ पे ज्यादा लीडर्स जो हैं कह रहे हैं मुझे आंसर्स देने हैं और मेरे पास टाइम का चैलेंज हो रहा है. So you are actually true leaders. Very, very happy for you, Rohit sir. These are fantastic students, and I'm very happy.
Thank you,
to hear
Kamal.
the way they are growing up.
Yes.
So Arth Agarwal says motivation. So leaders motivate others. वो ना दूसरों को discourage नहीं करेंगे, वो अच्छे से motivate भी करेंगे, right? But they will also make a point when they see that there is some fault. They'll also make a point. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो नहीं point out करेंगे. Nikunj has given a huge list: caring, cheerful, togetherness, teamwork, supportive. Fantastic. Now, you all received a master list, right? Now, I can promise you one thing. अगर हमारे में ये थोड़ी सी qualities अगर होंगी ना, and when we express these qualities, देखो quality होना एक बात है, लेकिन qualities को express करना in action में लाना, right? वो एक अलग बात है. So it's very important that you operate from these qualities, right? Now, you know, when I go to classrooms and when I talk to students, तो बच्चों को ना कई बारी confusion होती है leadership के around, and they have some myths around leadership. You know what is a myth? Anybody knows what is a myth? Any idea on that?
A wrong belief.
A wrong belief. That's a very good one, Aaron. Correct. Something that we believe to be true, but isn't really true. हमें लगता है कि वो बात सच है, but वो बात सच नहीं होती है, right? So around leadership, there are a few myths, right? Now let me help you understand these myths, and this is my question to each one of you. Generally, generally, what is the color of clothes that leaders wear? Quick answer in the chat box, or you can say it. What is the
Black
color
and
of
white.
clothes? Sorry?
Black and white.
Sir, green. Dark
Okay.
green.
So black and white.
No specific color, according
Black
to
and
me.
white. Okay.
Green and black. Green and brown.
Okay, I'll repeat that.
Green.
What is the
Blue and
color?
white. Dark and white. Blue.
What is the, okay, I'll repeat that. I'll repeat it. What is the color of clothes that generally leaders end up wearing?
So can I?
Okay, a lot of you are writing right.
Sir, a green color. Blue and white.
Okay, got that.
Green and white.
Okay. Okay, now can you name a few leaders? क्या आप कुछ leaders का नाम बता सकते हो मुझे? Can you name a few leaders?
Can I, sir?
Go ahead.
Nehru ji, Jawaharlal Nehru ji, Gandhi ji.
Mahatma Gandhi ji,
So they are
Jawaharlal Nehru ji. Okay, what else? Rajendra Prasad,
Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose,
Abdul Kalam.
Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai.
Abdul Kalam.
Malala Yousafzai,
Rani Lakshmibai.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Hitler. Okay,
Gandhi.
Modi ji.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Okay, Gandhi ji. Okay,
Bhagat Singh.
Honest person. Sir, a honest person is a leader.
Indira Gandhi. Okay, okay. चलो अब एक काम करते हैं. You know, the answers are very, very interesting. Somebody said Modi ji, somebody said Hitler, somebody said Obama, somebody said Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, somebody said Malala Yousaf, somebody said Nehru ji. Now, and when I asked you what is the color that generally politicians this is the color that generally politicians wear, white, right? But when I asked you what is the color that the leaders wear, आप बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ना यही आंसर दिया that they wear a white color, right? Now this brings me
Black and white.
this brings me to the first myth. You know, हमें शायद ऐसा लगता है that leaders are politicians. So जो लोग politicians होते हैं वही really leaders होते हैं, right? Because that's what I got based on the answers. But the truth is that anybody can be a leader. The qualities that we spoke about, जिसके अंदर वो qualities हैं, that person in itself is a leader. किसी ने ये लिखा ही नहीं that I am a leader. किसी ने नहीं लिखा that my mom is a leader, my father is a leader. सबने नाम लिखे generally from people who are from politics. आपने note किया majority of the answers were pointing towards people from politics, है ना? So myth number 1, myth is that leaders are politicians, but the truth is that anybody can be a leader. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's break the myth.
Yes, sir.
है ना? हम इस gesture से break करेंगे myth को. Let's break the myth. Leaders are politicians. And what is the truth? Anybody can be a leader. Yes?
Anybody can
Yes,
be a leader.
sir.
Anybody can be a leader.
Yes, sir.
Anybody.
ठीक है. Now there's another myth. There's another myth around leadership, which is that people say that leaders are bossy. The leaders are bossy. All leaders are bossy. That's a myth. Now let's break that myth. Let's break it. Can we break it? You can even break it like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
got it.
sir.
कोई लोग तो पूरा पानी निकाल रहे हैं निचोड़ के एकदम कपड़े में से यार. Okay. Got it. So the truth is
That I am a leader.
okay, yes, you are a leader. Yeah. The truth is that leaders are not bossy, but leaders are rather polite and kind. Leaders are polite and kind. Can you repeat that? Leaders are
Leaders are polite and kind.
polite and
kind.
fantastic. Fantastic. So leaders are polite and kind. Okay. Now, next myth. Let's look at another myth. When I talk to students of your age or similar ages, and they say that, sir, I ask them that, by what age can you guess? By what age can you become a leader? Can you guess? मैं आपसे भी पूछता हूँ. By what age can you become a leader?
It can be
Any
any
age.
age.
Sir, any age. Any age. Leadership do not have the age. Leadership do not have the age. It do not have the age.
Yes, I get the answer.
Leadership do not have any age.
So leadership has no age. So sometimes there is a myth that people hold that I'm too young to be a leader. Sometimes people have this myth that I'm too young to be a leader. I'll only become leader when I grow a little older, right? So let's break it and let's identify the truth that anybody can be a leader at any age. So the truth is anybody can be a leader at any age. Can we repeat that?
At any age.
Anybody can be a leader at
Any age.
any age.
Any
Got
age.
it.
Any age.
Got it.
Leader at any age.
So leaders have no age. We can say that. Anybody can be a leader at any age. Now,
Yes, sir.
now there's another myth. People say that being a leader is very difficult, right? Being a leader is very difficult. Now let's break that myth. But the truth is that being a leader is easy. Being a leader is being a leader is
Easy.
being a leader is very easy, right?
Very easy.
Okay, got it. Okay, got it.
Very easy.
It's as easy as dancing, right? Anybody can dance, right? It's as easy to be a leader, and I'll help you today to actually figure out that how all of you can be a leader.
Yes,
Do you like to dance? Do you all like to
Yes,
dance?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it. So if I ask somebody to give a dance performance, will you give a dance performance?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir, I can do.
You are
We
very,
never
very
done it, I
comfortable.
can do.
Yes, sir.
चलो मैं
Yes,
डांस
sir.
परफॉर्मेंस का
Yes,
लास्ट
sir.
भी करवाऊंगा. But let's do one thing which will also help you identify another trait of being a leader, right? Let's do an activity. Make your hand gesture like this, like a gun. Now do this very carefully, okay? Listen to the instructions very carefully, and join your thumbs like this. Join your thumbs like this, right? It has to be parallel to the ground, right? Parallel to the ground. Now take it right above your head, fast. Take it above your head. Separate it. separate it. Separate your hands. Yeah. Now loosen your shoulders. You know, let your shoulders be loose. Yeah. Yeah. Now I think आपको समझ नहीं आई that I made you all do
Bhangra.
bhangra.
Punjabi dance.
I made you all do bhangra, right?
Bhangra.
Now,
Yes, sir.
you know, this reminds me, you know, when you go to functions and कई बारी ना I see some parents वो बच्चों को बोल रहे होते हैं कि बेटा चलो स्टेज पे चलो, चलो स्टेज पे चलो, and the child is like no mom, no dad, मेरे को नहीं जाना, मेरे को नहीं जाना, right? So you know, leaders they take initiative, and they are happy, and they are cheerful people. They enjoy life also. They really enjoy, right? So I saw a lot of you having a great smile on your face, you know, when you were doing bhangra, and आपको मालूम नहीं चला कि ये हम भंगड़ा करने वाले हैं, but then I tricked you into doing bhangra, right? Now let's identify a few actions that we can take as a leader, right? Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is it that we really like to sip a lot? What is it that we like to sip?
Sir, tea.
Tea?
Coffee.
I heard coffee. Okay, got it. Okay. I'll give you another answer.
Tea.
You know, so there is another you know, action that leaders they kind of stay away from, and I'll help you understand this through a very small story. So in a classroom, I was you know, doing a simple activity, and you know, Chinese whispers. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We used to play this.
Yes, sir.
मैंने एक स्टूडेंट को बुलाया और मैंने उसके कान में बोला कि पंकज, so the boy I called, his name was Pankaj, right? So I said in his ears, मैंने उसके कान में बोला that, you know, Pankaj is great, right? So पंकज ने फिर किसी और के ईयर में बोला, फिर किसी और के, वो घूम के जब लास्ट में फाइनली मेरे पास जब लास्ट स्टूडेंट आया और उसने मेरे कान में एक ऐसी चीज बोली, you know, सुन के I was shocked and surprised. Can you guess what is it that the last child said?
Pankaj is late.
Pankaj is a leader. Pankaj is a leader.
You know, what I said was,
It changed.
Leader.
okay, let me share it with you. Okay.
Pankaj is
So I said Pankaj is great, but the last student who came to me and he said in my ears that Pankaj is an ape. Pankaj is an ape. Ape मालूम है आपको? वो चिंपैंजी की तरह जो होता है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. His eyes
बात शुरू हुई थी Pankaj is great से, लेकिन बात खत्म हुई that Pankaj is an ape, right? So so when this happened, तो बीच में ना वो क्या होता है हमारे यहाँ पे ना, जैसे हम इंडियंस को ना स्पाइसेस बहुत पसंद है डालने, हम खाने में स्पाइसेस डालते हैं, तो कई बार क्या होता है कि हम बातों में भी ना मसाले मिला देते हैं, you know, we mix spices in the conversations. So every leader, you know, remember I was talking about we like to sip something, so we can sip anything, but we should avoid sipping one thing that's called gossip, right? How many of you gossip? How many of you gossip?
I didn't.
Very honest, you know, very honest. Sometimes. That's okay. You know? Remember, you have, अगर हमने ये वाला प्रिंसिपल सीख लिया ना, this is going to really help you in life. आपको ना हमेशा पंकज is great और पंकज is an ape वो स्टोरी याद रखनी है, right? Leaders, they don't gossip, right? They really don't gossip about others. They don't enjoy gossip, right? So हमने ना क्या करना है, हमने कोशिश करनी है कि हमें ना गॉसिप नहीं करना, और जैसे ही हमें लगे कि हम किसी के बारे में गॉसिप कर रहे हैं, हमने ना अपनी टंग को थोड़ा सा बाइट करना है, तेज बाइट नहीं करना, थोड़ा सा बाइट करना, ताकि हमें याद आ जाए एकदम से कि हम गॉसिप करें, राइट? सो हाउ वुड वी बाइट आवर टंग? कैसे करेंगे हम? हाउ वुड वी डू दैट?
With the help of teeth.
विद द हेल्प ऑफ द टीथ।
With the help of teeth.
बट ज्यादा
Sir,
तेज
with the
नहीं
help
करना
of
है,
tea.
राइट? थोड़ा सा करना है, राइट? सो दैट गिव्स अस अ रिमाइंडर that we don't have to gossip, right? Now, I'll share something with you. I remember this one. I was doing a session in a in a school with grade 8th and 9th students, and there was a teacher. She was holding a big books check करने, copies check करने के लिए. She was holding a a big bundle of copies, and she was passing by the corridor, and I saw this student in my class. He said, sir, वो मैम के पास बहुत सारी copies हैं, can I help her? And I looked at him and I had a big smile on my face. And I thought, how thoughtful he is. So they leaders, they take initiatives and they help to solve other people's problems, right? So they take initiative and they help to solve other people's problems. Is that good? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And,
Yes, sir.
and कई लोग सोचते हैं, अरे छोड़ो ना, मेरा काम थोड़ी ना है, जिसका काम है मैडम अपने आप कर लेंगी, सर अपने आप कर लेंगे, छोड़ो ना, मैं क्यों करूं, राइट? बट रियल लीडर्स, they take initiative and they see that can they help somebody, can they take some initiatives, can they help in solving some problems, right? So choti choti baatein, but then that's what a true leader is all about. And remember, I said that leadership is not difficult. Leadership is actually easy, right? Now there's another thing that I would like to share with you. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने, how many of you like to have नींबू पानी? You can raise your hands maybe. How many of you like नींबू पानी?
Right.
Okay.
I like.
And how many of you like how many of you like lassi? Okay.
I don't like.
And how many of you like jaljeera?
I like. I like.
अच्छा, tell me
I
something.
like.
आपको ना मुझे honestly बताना है, right? Yeah, you can write I in the chat box, and now you have to tell me
I
very
used to
honestly.
drink daily.
Daily, okay, got that. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि
Yes, sir,
कभी
you
ऐसा
can.
हुआ है कि आपने रात को आपको गर्मी लग रही हो, और आपने, या दिन में आपको गर्मी लग रही हो, और आपने ना फ्रिज को ओपन किया, आपने आइस की ट्रे निकाली, आपने उसको, फिर हम जब आइस को निकालते हैं ट्रे से, कैसे करते हैं वो जेस्चर, लेट्स डू इट, वो कैसे निकालते हैं?
No, we do like this. Sir, we do like kind of.
We used to put some water, hot water in that.
Sir, we used to twist it a little.
ट्विस्ट इट ऑन बोथ द साइड्स, ठीक है? सो कभी ऐसा हुआ है, सच्ची सच्ची बताना है आपने, ये कि आपने बर्फ निकाली, नींबू पानी पिया, या रूह अफ़ज़ा बनाया, या रसना पिया, या आपने कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी, एंड फिर आपने वापस ट्रे को ऐसे ही रख दिया, और एकदम से कोई गेस्ट आया, एंड मम्मा सेड कि जब बर्फ निकालते हो तो पानी भर के रखा करो? ऐसा हुआ है कभी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. Many times.
मेरे साथ तो नहीं हुआ, वो मेरे भाई के साथ हुआ.
Okay, that's okay. I get it. I get your
हमारी
answer.
मम्मी पहले
Now-
ये बोलती है कि बर्फ क्यों खा रहे हो?
अच्छा, कभी ऐसा हुआ that you took bath in the washroom and mama said or papa said कि बेटा वाइपर मार के आया करो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
sometimes-
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
sir.
No.
To me, but I
Sometimes.
do it.
Okay, got it. Now, what I want you to get is, आज ना आपने ये छोटा सा एक point पकड़ना है. This, they say that sometimes small is big. Small can be big, right? Now, I want you to look at leadership in everyday life. How can you be an everyday leader? A leader who shows up every single day as a great leader. How can we do that? So I'm going to give you a few tasks that you'll have to keep in mind. So number one is that if you consume anything, let's say if you consume ice from the ice tray, you will fill up the tray and keep it back. Is that a deal? Is that a deal?
Yes, sir.
You know,
Yes,
because
Yes,
you
sir.
are
sir.
Still water bottle
responsible
bag.
for their actions,
Right.
right? Number two, now when you take bath, you will leave your washroom cleaner than you found it. You have to listen to this very carefully. You will leave the washroom or your bathroom cleaner than you found it, right? Is that a deal?
Okay, sir. Yes,
You
sir.
know?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
acha, how many of you make faces when mama makes GTTK? Have you heard of GTTK?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
GTTK
sir.
stands for Great Indian Dishes, जिसका full form है घिया, तोरी, टिंडे, करेले. Do you like them?
Sir, no. No, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. I don't like.
Never.
Sir, I don't
You know,
like
so,
Karela.
so when mama,
Sir, I like Karela.
I'll share something with you. You know the temperature in the
Sir, I
kitchen.
like that.
There is a difference of at least 8 to 12 degrees between a kitchen and a room. जिस रूम में हम बैठ के खाते हैं ना, वो जो वहाँ टेम्परेचर जो है 7-8 डिग्री से लगभग 10-12 डिग्री बेटर टेम्परेचर होता है. बट वेयर एज द किचन्स आर वेरी हॉट. यस. एंड व्हेन आवर मॉम मेक्स समथिंग दैट वी डोंट इवन लाइक, कई बार ना हम बोल देते हैं मम्मा मैं ना मुझे नहीं खाना आज. कौन कौन करता है ऐसे? मेरे को नहीं खाना ये.
Yes.
Honestly.
Yes, sir. One time.
We do that.
One time.
Sir,
One time. One time.
So now your leadership assignment. You can strike a deal with your mother or anybody who cooks कि ना हफ्ते में ये वाली जो चीज आपको जो नहीं पसंद है, you can always make a request. मम्मा जिस दिन आप टिंडे बनाओगे ना या जिस दिन आप करेले बनाओगे, मेरे को ना अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं करेले, आप ना उस दिन एक चीज और भी बना लेना बिकॉज मेरे को पसंद नहीं है, राइट? एंड योर मदर और एनीबडी हु कुक्स विल बी सो हैप्पी कि आज जो है ना मेरा बच्चा जो है ही इज नॉट फाइटिंग विद मी एंड ही इज सेइंग वेरी पोलाइटली, यू नो, रिमेंबर द जनरल वाज वेरी पोलाइट. The general was a true leader and he was very polite. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So no fighting over GTTK. No fighting. Now, can you tell me a few ideas? Can you put some ideas in the chat box to demonstrate leadership in everyday life? Kuch ideas aap bhi do. You can put them in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
I'm waiting to see the chat box. Or would somebody like to give the answer on the screen? Make others happy. Ria, that's a great answer. Be kind.
Sir, I want.
So general answer नहीं देना, बड़ा specific answer देना है कि आप अपने घर में क्या करोगे, अपने स्कूल के लिए आप क्या कर सकते हो, अपनी domestic help अगर है उनके साथ आप कैसे leadership show कर सकते हो. So it does not have to be a general answer. Be very specific कि आप क्या करोगे. Who will give the answer?
Sir, I.
Sir, I will.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
I want to try.
Okay. So I'll repeat it again. I'll repeat the question. The question is that how will you show leadership in everyday life? And general answer नहीं देना, बहुत specific देना. For example,
Sir,
it can be as simple as that when I will see extra lights and fans or anything which is extra which is on, I am going to turn it off. I'm going to take responsibility for that, right? So, Navya, you're the first one to
I
answer.
want to give answer.
Yes, Navya, go ahead.
Yes, so that if the so I focus, I notice in my daily life that everyone leaves the room and somebody don't switch off the light, somebody don't switch off the AC, and When the light has been gone, sir, in our house there is one generator,
Okay.
and that also somebody off, don't off. That when the generator, so when the generator found that it is over, it is overload, then I also go out and see. I also go out to see that which one room lights fans are on, or and sometimes I also go and see that some others are also not switching on the lights sometimes, and when the generator takes some sound, then I leave that room and I go to that other room when there my mom is taking sorry
Taking rest.
my mom
Get
is
it? Yeah.
सर हम उस रूम में जा सकते हैं जिस रूम में हमारा मतलब जिस रूम में सब बैठे हैं वहां जाएंगे सब इकट्ठा एक ही जगह बैठेंगे तो हमारी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी will save, the electricity will be saved.
Very good, Navya. That's it. So leaders take responsibility for resources. चाहे वो पानी हो, चाहे वो खाना हो, चाहे वो बिजली हो. You know, जब हम वो save करते हैं, that also shows a leader in us, right? So save resources, and that also makes you a great leader. So now let me ask
Sir, can I?
Pari Jeswani. Pari, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pari. What would you like to say?
Yes, sir.
Pari, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Yes, Pari. How will you show leadership in everyday life? Yes, Navya, you can.
Can I, sir? Sir, please say your question again.
Pari, can you hear me?
Sir, please say your question again.
Okay. So the question is that how आप leadership कैसे दिखाओगे everyday life में in your house or otherwise? आप कैसे leadership दिखाओगे?
Sir, I help everyone and I don't waste water.
Okay.
And sir, I don't waste food.
Okay.
And I help everyone.
Which is very good. So everybody who is listening, that's a great answer. Everybody who is listening,
May I?
सारे answers नहीं ले पाऊंगा because will be short of time. But what I want you to do is that whatever you are picking up, when we are going to party, there are people who waste food, so we should take care of that. Eat carefully. Okay, got that. So all these answers are good, and यही leadership है. Leadership is nothing which is very complicated. It is simple little things that we can do on everyday basis, and that makes us a true leader. And one concluding point that I really want to say is that leaders, they really show their love and their affection towards their parents. You can do that by saying them I love you. You can do that by hugging them. You can actually say that by telling them that you are so thankful. जो हमारे लिए हमारे parents करते हैं, they do so much for us. They work very hard for us, and a true leader shows respect and is really thankful to his or her parents. Because we are because of our parents, right? So one of the assignments that I really have for all of you is that you will think of about 5 things that you are really thankful for to your parents, and I would want you to say thank you to your parents for what they do for you. At least 5 things. Is that a deal?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And
Yes,
when you do
Yes,
that,
sir.
your parents will really be happy, and making your parents happy is also one of the duties of a great leader. Yes. So now
Yes, sir.
all good things as they have their own time. So we have come towards the end of the session. And I wish this would have gone on for a longer time, but keeping time in mind, will bring it to a close. And I can sincerely tell you from the bottom of my heart, I totally enjoyed. I totally loved the session, and I totally enjoyed. And I can also tell you one thing, with the kind of participation that you all showed, I can tell you that if you keep participating, if you keep learning, and if you keep taking actions like a leader, you will really become very, very successful and a great human being, and you will be able to fulfill your dreams as well. Thank you very much, and I really want to thank you once again. I really want to thank the management of Jindal World School, Rohit sir, for organizing this. मुझे बहुत मजा आया, मैंने बहुत enjoy किया, and my best wishes are with you.
We also have enjoyed a lot, Kamalneet Singh ji. I know that you are having very busy schedule and you found out some time for our young leaders. And thank you for praising them. They were very excited to attend this session. And I am also very grateful to you as on only one call, I have just made a one call and you have accepted this invitation. And that is really great, sir. And our young leader, Pragati Goyal, has prepared a lot of thanks speech, sir. So she will continue with that.
Would love to.
Sir,
Thank
there's
you.
one
Thank
more
you so much.
quality in leaders, that they learn from others also. Like they don't think that they only know everything.
Yes.
All right, let's put some of the background. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Just
Thank you, sir. It's an honor to share. Have been asked to afford a vote of thanks on behalf of JWS Curiosity Club. I'm very hearty gratitude to our speaker, Mr. Kamalneet Singh, for sharing his graceful motivational words with us. Thank you so much, sir. I would also like to thank Raghav Bhaiya for sharing the incidents for his life and motivating us. I extend my hearty thanks to Rohit sir for providing us such a wonderful platform to enhance the curiosity. Thank you so much, sir. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the teachers and my friends for taking part in the session. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much. God bless you. May all your dreams, may all your wishes they come true, and may you grow into wonderful human beings and make your parents really, really proud of you. Take
Thank
care
you,
of
sir.
yourself and have a good weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your Saturday. Enjoy your Sunday.
Thanks, sir.
And I hope to see you
Bye,
sometime in person.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
We are
Bye,
leaders.
everybody.
We are
Bye,
the learners.
Bhavna. Bye, Aryan. Bye, Nikunj.
Bye,
We are
Bye,
the
sir.
everybody.
leaders.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving us amazing ideas.
Excuse me, sir.
My pleasure, Navya. I'm glad you liked it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are the leaders, we are the learners, and we are passionately curious.
Okay.
Thank you, Aryan.
Thanks
Thank you
for
so much.
coming, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I
We
will
will meet soon.
we will meet again in the
Hoping,
next
hoping,
session.
hoping to meet you all very soon when everything will open up. If God has His plan that way, we might meet in person also. Pari,
Thank
just
you,
that would
sir. Have a nice day.
Kamalneet
yes,
sir.
Pari, go ahead. Go ahead, say.
सॉरी सर मुझे अभी इतनी इंग्लिश नहीं आती तो सर मैं उतना अच्छे से बोल नहीं पाई इट इज माय फर्स्ट
Pari,
ईयर इन जिंदल स्कूल
you know what, Pari? जब मैं आपके जितना था ना, तो मुझे भी बोलने में प्रॉब्लम होती थी एंड मैं भी एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाता था. लेकिन परी, मैंने एक चीज सीखी लाइफ में कि इंग्लिश, हिंदी, पंजाबी, गुजराती, सिंधी, ये ना सारी लैंग्वेजेस होती हैं और इनका सिर्फ काम होता है कम्युनिकेट करना, राइट? तो इंग्लिश अच्छी ना होना डजंट मीन कि हम एक्सप्रेस नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि देखो हमारी हमारी जो नेशनल लैंग्वेज है वो हिंदी है। यस, इंग्लिश इम्पोर्टेंट है, बट कभी भी परी ये नहीं सोचना कि मेरी इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं है तो मैं अच्छा एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकती। परी, जब मैं आपके जितना था, आपको ना ये सुन के हंसी भी आएगी और आप सोचोगे कि क्या ये सच बात है। जब मैं कॉलेज में आ गया था, व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज, एंड कॉलेज तक भी ना मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती थी अच्छे से, क्योंकि मेरे स्कूल में हिंदी और पंजाबी जो है वो फर्स्ट लैंग्वेजेस थी, और इंग्लिश जो है वो सिर्फ इंग्लिश के पीरियड में बोली जाती थी। एंड ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम मैंने बुक्स को स्टडी किया, आई लाइक रीडिंग बुक्स, एंड धीरे धीरे मैंने इम्प्रूव कर लिया। एंड सो नेवर कंसिडर दैट नॉट नोइंग इंग्लिश इज अ बैड थिंग, देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग विद इट। आपको जोन सी लैंग्वेज में आता है वो उस लैंग्वेज में बोलो, चाहे वो हिंदी है, चाहे वो पंजाबी है, चाहे वो गुजराती है, जोन सी लैंग्वेज आती है आप उस लैंग्वेज में बोलो। एंड इंग्लिश को ना, इंग्लिश को सर पे नहीं बिठाना अपने, ठीक है? व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट इज कि आप बोलो। क्योंकि परी आपने इतने अच्छे अच्छे आंसर्स दिए, मेरे लिए वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था। किस लैंग्वेज में आंसर दिए उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। इज दैट ओके? Is that okay, Pari?
Thank you, sir. Bye.
And I have a cousin of mine, उसका नाम भी परी है, right? And वो भी हिंदी में बात करती है. Don't worry. All the best.
Bye, sir.
Thank you
Bye,
so
sir.
much
Have a nice day.
for
Bye, sir.
inspiring,
Have a nice day.
for inspiring
Thank you, Rohit
young
sir.
leaders.
Thank you, Rohit sir. Thank you very much. Wishing you the very best. And these brilliant students, they are awesome. And my best wishes to all of them. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so for everything. Bye bye.
Bye bye everyone. Now take
Bye bye,
care.
sir.
Bye,
Yeah.
sir.
Bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
So we'll meet soon in our next session. All right.
Let's
Sure.
Have a good time. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
bye.